Good morning, everyone. This is Sanju ma'am here. I hope everybody is fine and taking care of your health. Students, you already have completed 6 chapters in EVS. So now we will be moving to next lesson, lesson 9. Students, let us start lesson 9, People in Forest. Students, before starting the lesson, I will ask you that what things come to your mind when you talk about a forest. There are so many things that come to our mind when you talk about a forest. It can be animals, it can be birds, it can be trees, plants, and even some of the people also live in the forest. Okay. Now, so we will be learning about all these things in the forest. What kind of people live in forest? Okay. Then the chapter of name is also people in forest. So let us begin. Students, you can see I have underlined some hard words in your chapter and also written the meaning of that lesson. So you also have to pay attention in that also. Keep your fingers where I will be reading so that it will be easy for you to understand the chapter. We have already learned how plants and forests are important natural resources. Forests are home to a wide variety of plants, animals, birds, and insects. So, forests are very important natural resources for us, and it also provides a home to so many plants, animals, birds, and insects also. So, they are also home to groups of people also. Groups of people that live in forests are called tribals or Adivasis in India. So, these tribal people are called Adivasis also. You must have heard this name, Adivasi. Okay, now Adivasis are dependent on forest resources for their survival. Some of the Adivasi groups living in India are Gonds, Bhils, Khasi, Jaravas, Khons, Santhals, Kol, Lepchas, and Nagas. So these all are the names of Adivasi groups people living in India. In India, we also find many villages located adjacent to the forest areas. The people of these villages too are dependent upon the resources of the forest for their survival. That means we can also find so many villages also located next to the forest area. Adjacent means next to the forest areas or near to the forest areas. And these people are also living in villages. They are dependent upon the resources of forest. So students, we will be seeing what are the other things which we are going to learn in this chapter. So let's have a brief of this. Yes. Now in this page you can see some Adivasi groups are there. Gonds, Bhils, Khasi, Jaravas, Khons, Santhals, Khol, Lepchas and Nagas which just we have discussed. And we will be also studying about their lifestyle in ancient period. We will be also studying about deforestation and its effect on Adivasi on tribal people and responsibility of tribal people and government towards forest. So coming back to your page, Adivasis of India. Adivasis are the indigenous or the original people who first settled in India. So they are the original people living in India and they have not came from other place. They are originally people living in India. Now they live in forest and depend upon the natural resources obtained from the forest. And they are depending upon the natural resource which they are getting from the forest. And Bihar, Jharkhand, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, northeastern states, and the Andaman Nicobar Islands are home to different indigenous tribal groups. That means these are all the states where we can find out Adivasi people living there. And in ancient times, the tribals had their own kings or chiefs, and their world was beyond the control of the outside world. However, the tribal people gradually lost control over the forest when the British gained control over the forest resources of India. That means in olden times what happened, because Adivasis people they are very free. Nobody was there to control them. Actually, they had their own kings, they had their own chiefs also, and nobody was there to control them. Huh. they gradually lost their control. They slowly lost their control when the Britishers came to India. You must be knowing Britishers had came to our India, है ना? So when the Britishers came to India, they lost their control because Britishers, they have captured over the forest area also, and the British laws cut their access to natural. Yes, then move to next page, page number 62. Natural resources, and as a result, tribals were greatly impoverished. That means Britishers captured over the forest resources also. So this tribal people were made poor. That they nothing had in they nothing had in their hands. After India won its independence in 1947, the government took special steps to safeguard the rights of the tribal people. When India became independent in 1947, now government thought for this tribal people to emerge them, make them emerge them in the society, and they thought something for safeguarding their rights. Many tribal people have since they migrated to towns and cities for better work opportunities and living conditions. And because of that only, because of the Britishers, many of the tribal people they moved to cities and towns for better job opportunities so that they can survive well. Now, coming to the next paragraph, life of tribals in India. So, tribal people living in groups, they speak the same language, live in a particular area, and follow the same customs. So, these people they were living in groups only, and they always speak a same language, and they live in a particular area, and they always follow the same traditions or the cultures. And the head of a tribal is called a chief. There was a head, he was called as a chief, and they have their own religion and culture. Some have converted to Christianity and Hinduism, many still follow their tribal religion. Nature is an intrinsic part of their religion. They believe in the spirits of the different elements of nature, like the rivers, forest, mountains, animals, fire, etc. Many groves and forests are considered as sacred. That means these tribal people they had their own religion and culture, and some of the people they started converting into the Christianity religion and Hinduism, but many of the people still they were following their own tribal religion. एंड नेचर प्रकृति जो थी उनके लिए एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हिस्सा थी, इंट्रिंसिक पार्ट यानी इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट. Okay, they believe in spirits of the different elements of nature. That means they believe that there is spirit यानी शक्ति, शक्तियाँ होना, पावर्स होना. ठीक है, उनको ऐसा लगता था कि रिवर जो है, फॉरेस्ट है, माउंटेन्स है, एनिमल्स है, फायर है, इन सब में एक प्रकार की शक्ति होती है. एंड दिस मेनी ग्रोव्स एंड फॉरेस्ट दे आर कंसिडर्ड एज अ सैक्रेड. और ये जो ट्राइबल पीपल थे इन चीज़ों को एक अपने भगवान की तरह मानते थे, वो उनकी पूजा करते थे. देयर आर मेनी ट्राइबल पीपल हु हैव सेटल्ड इन अर्बन एरियाज while others still live in the forest in small settlements. Now, so many people are there who have who have migrated to urban areas or in cities, but still some people are there who are living in villages and they are living with a small settlement. That means agreement, समझौता करके रहना. Adivasis living in or near forest are dependent on the forest and survive through hunting, gathering and cultivation. That means Adivasis who are living near forest, they are depending on forest and surviving through hunting, cultivation and gathering. Gathering मतलब होता है सभा रखना, मीटिंग रखना. Cultivation means farming. They also collect leaves, barks of plants, wild fruits and roots. They make various products like rope, oil, jewelry, medicines and other food products from resources gathered from the forest. The money they get by selling this is used for purchasing clothes, spices, oil, grains, etc. That means they made various products. So many products they made, rope, ऑयल, ज्वेलरी, मेडिसिन, ये सारी चीज़ें जो हैं उन लोग फॉरेस्ट से रिसोर्सेज इकट्ठा करके बनाया करते थे और दे यूज़ टू सेल दिस. इसको बेच के उन्होंने अपने लिए जो ज़रूरी चीज़ें होती हैं, क्लॉथ्स हैं, स्पाइसेस हैं, ऑयल है, ये सारी चीज़ें वो ख़रीदते थे. Then products like brooms, mats, baskets are made from bamboo by the Oraon tribe in Bihar and Dhanwars of Chhattisgarh. And some tribal people are there who are from Bihar and Chhattisgarh. So tribal people who are from Bihar, they are called as a Oraon, and people who are from Chhattisgarh, tribal people who are from Chhattisgarh, they are called as Dhanwars. So these people used to make brooms, mats, baskets आउट ऑफ बैम्बू. बैम्बू जो ट्री होता है ना, उससे ये सारी चीज़ें वो बनाते थे. नाउ इज इट क्लियर टिल हियर स्टूडेंट्स? ओके, नाउ मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट, deforestation and its effects on the tribal society. Deforestation refers to the large scale down of trees. This started during the British rule in India when the colonial government controlled forest resources. That means when British rule started in India and they start controlling over forest resources, they started cutting trees also on a large scale. So cutting trees on a large scale, it is called as a deforestation. So the purpose was to make space for humans to settle and to bring more land under cultivation. This cutting down of the forest at a large scale robbed the tribal people of their land and livelihood. Then what happens when tribal people saw that trees are being cut on a very large scale? So they thought, now where we will be living, what we will be earning. So they started leaving that place and they started moving to cities. Now, changes in forest habitation forced many tribal people to migrate to cities and towns in search of a better livelihood. Now, even there was a changes in forest habitation, and this forest habitation, because they were having the habit of living in forest, but now they were not able to live in forest because of deforestation. So they start migrating to cities and towns in search of a better life. And their arrival in cities and villages had made them face the pain of discrimination. So when they arrived to cities and towns or villages, they had to face discrimination. भेदभाव की भावना उनको जो है फेस करनी पड़ रही थी. Okay students, now see, before moving to the next page, we will discuss this as a matter of fact is given. All of us see here, tribal people are creators of indigenous forms of art, dance and music. That means tribal people, they are the creators. उन्होंने ये चीज़ें बनाई थी फर्स्ट टाइम. आर्ट है, डांस है, म्यूज़िक है, ये सारी चीज़ें ओरिजिनली दे हैव स्टार्टेड एंड फॉर थाउजेंड्स ऑफ ईयर्स दे हैव प्रिजर्व दिस आर्ट फॉर्म्स. एंड बहुत सालों तक वो ये सारी चीज़ों को प्रिजर्व करके रख रहे थे. आर्ट, डांस एंड म्यूज़िक ऑफ द भिल्स एंड गॉन्स इज़ वेरी फेमस. ये जो भिल्स, जो ग्रुप ऑफ ट्राइबल पीपल हैं, और जो गॉन्स है, उनके जो आर्ट है, उनका जो डांस है और उनका जो म्यूज़िक है, वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा फेमस है. Now next, coming to back to that line, last line, discrimination refers to the unfair. Yes, all of you move to next page number 63. Unfair treatment given to tribal people due to their origin. Even now, tribal community in India suffers from prejudices, illiteracy and poverty. That means when they arrived to cities or towns, they had to face the फीलिंग और दे हैज़ टू फेस द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. उनके साथ लोग भेदभाव करते थे. ठीक है. प्रेजुडाइसिस मतलब होता है अनफेवरेबल ओपिनियन, मतलब कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ें नहीं थी जो उनके फेवर में किया जाए, है ना. इलिटरेसी मतलब अनएजुकेटेड, इवन दे डिडंट गेट चांस ऑफ गेटिंग एजुकेशन. उनको एजुकेशन मिलने का भी चांस नहीं मिलता था लेने का. इवन एंड दे बिकम पुअर, और वो जो है वो बिकॉज उनके पास कुछ अर्न करने के लिए नहीं था, उनके पास अर्न नहीं कर पा रहे थे, उनके पास मनी नहीं आ रही थी, जिसके कारण वो एजुकेशन फैसिलिटीज़ पे गेन नहीं कर सकते थे. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज दिस, चेंज इन द लाइफ ऑफ पीपल. नाउ ट्राइबल पीपल आर नॉट the only people who depend on forest for resources. Forests also serve as valuable natural resources for other people of our nation. दैट मीन्स ट्राइबल पीपल जो है सिर्फ उन्हीं लोग डिपेंडेंट नहीं होते हैं फॉरेस्ट पे, इवन अदर पीपल्स आर ऑल्सो देयर हु आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन फॉरेस्ट डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली। जैसे कि हमको भी कई सारी चीज़ें हैं जो हमको फॉरेस्ट से लेनी पड़ती हैं, है ना। तो ओवर द ईयर्स द गवर्नमेंट टू हैज़ टेकन स्टेप्स टू प्रोटेक्ट फॉरेस्ट एज वेल एज द लाइव्स ऑफ दोज people, those living inside or near the forest. So let us find out how this works. Now over the years, government they have taken so many steps to protect the forest, है ना। तो गवर्नमेंट बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो है करती हैं, आपने पढ़ा भी है, आपने सुना भी है कि नेशनल पार्क्स बनाए गए हैं, है ना, वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज भी बनाई गई हैं फॉरेस्ट को, एनिमल्स को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए। इवन इट इज़ नॉट ओनली द ड्यूटी ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट, इवन द पीपल हु आर लिविंग नियर टू द forest or in the forest, it is their duty also to protect forest. Okay.